Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's topic is related to different types of risk involved in commodity market and how to avoid these types of risk. So let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from Daily Commodity. So let us begin. Commodity market risk. Commodity trading risk goes hand in hand with the monetary benefits of commodity trading. When you are dealing in the commodity segment, there is no such thing as risk free trade. In fact, in any type of investment, there is a risk. The more profit it seems in the trade, the higher are the chances of the risk. If you are a good observer, most of this commodity trading risk that are present can be easily avoidable and you can minimize your loss in each of this scenario. So different types of risk involved in commodity trading. Trading in general involves many types of risks. Similarly, the commodity trading has its own risk as well. While the risk involved in the general trading can be out of control and lead to uncontrolled losses, the commodity trading risk can be controlled and managed easily. Commodity trading risks are based on the factors that are present in the commodity trading contract that can bring up the losses in the contract. Some of these risks are relevant to particular commodity, other risks are present in all the commodity and the top commodity which you are going to invest in. In general, they might influence particular commodity more than the other. So the different types of risk involved are, the first one is volatility. The volatility of the commodity is the primary reason that people invest in them. Price of the commodity can fluctuate on the momentary basis. People invest in the commodity to make profit from their very fluctuation. As it is said, the greatest boon can sometimes be the biggest curse as well. In the same manner, the volatility is the biggest risk factor in the commodity trading. The price of the commodity can take a dip at any time. This can turn out to be the huge loss for the people who were hoping for the opposite. This may turn out to be dangerous trading risk. For example, suppose you have invested in silver hoping that the price will go up, and the next day, on the contrary, the owing to day fluctuation in the prices, the price of the silver falls down. This could mean that you have suffered a loss in the contract, while all the commodities by very nature are volatile. The risk factor is more prominent in some commodities than the others. Precious metals like gold and silver tend to be more volatile than the raw material like steel. So that is why the fluctuation in the silver prices is happened due to many reasons before investing in them. You should keep a check on the prices to keep yourself safe from the losses. The price of the commodity can even fluctuate to 200% or 50% of the value in a very short amount of time. To avoid this type of risk, managing volatility of a commodity is entirely up to the trader. Unless there are event that takes place, the price of the commodity are influenced by the various factors. Before jumping into trade, a trader should research about the commodity which he is ready to deal in. There is a lot of hard work that requires, and it also requires a good effort of on account of the trader. There are government policies, weather report, transportation policies, etc., that should be learned before investing in commodity. So basically, keeping constant attention on the market is another good way to minimize these kind of losses. Successful traders always have an eyes out on happening in the market. So the second type of risk involved in commodity market is leverage. Commodity trading gives a great gift to a trader in terms of leverage. However, this gift is often misused by some of the traders and it turns out to be commodity trading risk. Margin or leverage is the amount of money which deposit has a down payment for the actual price of the commodity. For example, if the price of the commodity is rupees 1000 and there is a leverage of 20%, then the only you have to only put rupees 200 for the commodity. This does not mean the remaining money is for granted. Think of it as a loan from the commodity exchange. So if the price of the commodity goes up by 20%, then the changes to then it changes to rupees 1200 that you have received rupees 200 as a profit and doubles your investment. If the price of the commodity goes down by 20%, that means it becomes rupees 800. Your entire investment is wiped off. Most traders cannot handle this gift of leverage property. If the margin is 10%, they might buy 10 contracts of 1000 rupees. However, what they don't realize is while it is a good shot of profit, even small fluctuation a market will wipe off the entire investment. So the best way to handle the margin related commodity trading risk is to not invest all your money altogether. Invest in small quantity in diversified list of commodities. If one of the commodity takes a dip, the other might keep your investment alive. For example, if you are a gold trader, you can also invest in silver as well. So, the third type of risk is inexperience. Inexperience is by far one of the biggest commodity trading risks for a trader. Many people jump into commodity trading without even knowing the basics of commodity trading. They are influenced by their friends, relatives, or the media about how commodity trading is being the easiest way to become rich quickly. With the lack of the experience, they make the dangerous decision in the beginning. They invest too much capital in the wrong area. The end result, most of them end up winding up their businesses or wiping out their entire capital in the first few trades. They the field of the commodity trading is a science in itself. Most successful commodity traders with the years of experience in still trading considers themselves to be learning stage. Therefore, it is wrong to consider oneself a trader before knowing everything about the commodity trading. Since inexperience is in the commodity market is the commodity trading risk on the other side of the trader, it can be the best managed by the trader himself. Before making the first trade, it is essential to know about the basic of commodity trading. One should always keep a note and should know about the commodity in which they have to invest, how much he should invest, and he should invest in it. One need to research the past trend of the commodity and all the factors which it influence. When starting it, it should be a small amount. The fourth type of risk is emotional influence. While the commodity trading decisions should be done after careful analysis of the market, traders often make decisions influenced by their own emotions. Many times people are unable to accept a loss. They keep on holding on to their contract in a hope of profit just because they want to avoid realizing the fact that they have made the worst decision or the wrong decision. At time, even after losing people high up their stage just in order to make up the losses they have incurred. This leads to suffering big losses. At a time, people get so influenced by their emotion, then to make up the losses, they start borrowing the money to invest in commodity trading. This not only result in further losses, but person can be deep into debt. Anything which becomes an addiction is not good. Therefore, it is essential one to have control over the commodity trading as well. To avoid this, emotional influence is the one commodity trading risk that can be handled by the person itself. The person need to realize that while investing in commodity, losses are an integral part. He can face losses at some times even. While the losses can be avoided by the chances, can be reduced, one still needs to the ability to handle the losses when they come. The last type of risk is unforeseen risk. Unforeseen risk is the important part of the commodity trading. The risks are the hardest to handle as one cannot predict them in advance. Unforeseen risk involves a random third party event occurring that causes the price of the commodity to increase or decrease rapidly. This event could be natural or man made factor that can happen at any time to any commodity. This event includes earthquake, unexpected rainfall, drought, sudden government policy changes, business events, natural disasters, etc. To avoid this type of risk, the best way is to handle the unforeseen risk and it is to be prepared for it. You should be ready to take the losses in unforeseen risk. This is why the experienced trader only invest the extra money they have in commodity trading. You should never trade in commodity with the day to day expenses. Also, it is a good idea to keep some extra amount of money aside for a rainy day. Additionally, you should never invest your whole capital in a single time. Invest in a phases across multiple commodity in the same field. Additional risk management strategies. First one, stop loss. The best advantage of commodity trading is that you can easily manage your losses. Stop loss is the commodity given to the broker that automatically sells your contract once they dip below a certain point. This is done as an effective strategy to minimize and limit the losses. And the second one is margin call. Margin call are the event where a broker would ask you to put more money in the account to keep up the share of the equity you purchase in the commodity. This is done in case the price of the certain contract you own have fallen and deep your capital and you need more maintain your share of commodity. Margin call are sign that you are losing money and you should never answer them. The commodity trading risks are inherent part of the commodity trading and you should always take them in account while making the decisions. If you can handle them well, you will be one of the successful trader you have heard stories about. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.